Hello guys. Welcome to the live broadcast. Please make sure that you follow us, stay in the live broadcast, follow us on WhatsApp, follow the channel as well, give us a subscription. Okay, we're just starting today. We're going to be talking about Palo Alto networks. They're into cybersecurity. This is what we're going to be talking about. Our presentation has got like 23 slides. We're going to look at their company profile and some financial and stocks data, okay? So make sure that you stay around for the live broadcast. Also, guys, remember that usually when I edit the videos, I usually just talk about the stock section. So feel free to stay in the live stream and ask us about what you want to know, okay? So it's really good. So make sure you also share if you're interested. Also use the chat box uh, to to communicate with me. There's the chat box. You can also use the chat box as well. So yeah, we're going to be talking about Palo Alto. This is our company of choice. Go watch the other videos as well. Um, and we want to talk to you guys to know what you guys feel about our content. So check out our other videos. So this is our flow, company profile, company analysis, technical and financial analysis, and the summary. Okay, so these four stages. So now let's head into the live the let's see the company profile. Let's see what they're into, what their business involves, etc. So yeah, so there you go, company profile. Let's move on. My let me remove my let me adjust actually my my screen. Okay, let me put it down here. I might have to block the WhatsApp there. Okay, so yeah, so Palo Alto, they're a cybersecurity company. Guys, you all know cybersecurity to do with fraud, prevention of fraud, and identity theft, you know, prevention of online fraud, online identity theft. So that is cybersecurity, okay? Just keeping the networks, the internet safe. They're dedicated to protecting businesses from various network threats, like what I did say, through innovative technology. So they're a solution provider. They manufacture innovative technologies and solutions. Yep, they were founded in 2005, so they have been around for 19 years, 20 years, and they're found in California. Their product and services are distributed worldwide, so they have a bigger customer base. They are a well-renowned brand. I'm thinking their products are well known, especially if you're somebody who does networking or you're into tech. You should know about this company, helping thousands of business and institutions ensure network security. It's really like I did talk about, guys. Internet fraud, identity theft on the internet, and so many other violations that happen. Hacking, of course. So network security is really important for companies. Provide a range of advanced network security solutions. Security solutions, including next generation firewalls, cloud securities, endpoint protection, threat intelligence. They hold a leading position in the field of cybersecurity, renowned in its innovative technology and extensive product portfolio. So they're in the tech space, but specifically in cybersecurity. They're not into AI, okay? Okay. They're into something else, but I'm sure they will also be doing AI in the future. PANW's actions in the field of endogenous security, comprehensive product strategy, continuous technological innovation. Like anybody in this space, you have to continuously innovate, right? Strengthened security capabilities in the field of cloud security, the cloud, by acquiring cloud security related enterprises such as Prisma Cloud. So they merged or they bought that Prisma Cloud. In addition, Palo Alto Security Operation Platform, Cortex, also reflects deep layout in endogenous security, providing an automated and intelligent security operation management environment, integrating multiple security and product services. So check them out. So over the past decade, they're listed on the NASDAQ as PANW. They've become the undisputed king in the field of cybersecurity with its outstanding market performance and strategic vision. So they're one of the top companies. I'm sure their stock also performs well, um, especially in comparison with their peers. And it's also very, very impressive because they've just been around for 20 years. So, in the field of cybersecurity, with its outstanding market performance and strategic vision from 2014 to 2024, that's a span of 10 years. Palo Alto stock prices increased nearly 20 times. That is really good, demonstrating not only its market competitiveness, but also its leadership position in the field of cybersecurity. So, anybody, guys, anybody watching who knows about cybersecurity, go inside the chat. Do you use Palo Alto's products? Let us know. Okay, Palo Alto Networks. At the beginning of its establishment, so we're just talking about the history here of Palo Alto, the network security market was not yet fully matured yet. That is around 2005, right? The founder of the company, Nikesh Arora, realized that traditional firewalls could no longer cope with the increasingly complex network threats, right? Yeah, as long as you're on the internet, there are threats, they're hacking and the likes. Especially for organizations, there are always people trying to come into those organizations. And so he and his team developed the next generation firewall to address the growing issues of network attacks and data breaches. So, of course, companies, big companies, they are going to face some threats to their firewall, to their business secrets. People want to hack, people want to get in there, get information. You know, we've got a lot of mischievous people on the networks, right? So they are. So in 2012, the company successfully went public. So yep, and its stock price gradually rose from an initial $42. Okay, despite experiencing market fluctuations, just like any company, Palo Alto Networks has always adhered to technological innovation. So they're very innovative. Guys, go inside the chat box, okay? Say hi inside the chat box, okay? We're just talking about Palo Alto. We're gonna also do later, we're gonna do a stock report. So please make sure you follow us also on that WhatsApp, scan our QR code, and also follow us here as well. I'm also going to do many other videos. This whole live stream, I usually cut it into 3 videos, may usually take the most important parts. So please follow the account. Please also add us on WhatsApp, okay? So despite experiencing market fluctuations, Palo Alto Networks has always adhered to technological innovation and is committed to providing comprehensive network secret solutions for enterprises. You do remember previously you said that their products are well known worldwide. So they are a big player in the cybersecurity industry. This strategy has enabled it to grow from a startup company to an industry giant with a market value of tens of billions of dollars in that 10 years. That is really, really impressive, right? Tens of billions of dollars in just 10 years. That is progress right there. Okay, let's see some recent performance. How they've been doing recently. Technological and market breakthroughs, stock price 20 times over. Their stock price has risen 20 times over the past 10 years. How was the stock price in 2014? So in 2014, the stock price of Palo Alto Network was approximately $60. In 2014, that is 10 years ago. At that time, many investors had not fully understood the potential of the cybersecurity market, just like everyone else. However, through continuous technological innovation and market expansion, the company has gradually gained the trust of the market and the favor of investors. And by 2024, their stock price has exceeded $1,200, an increase of nearly 20 times. Oh my God, that is good progress, okay? Uh, Behind the process of stock price growth is the company's dual breakthrough in technology and the market. So they're performing well technologically, they are advancing, and also in the market of cybersecurity, they're also growing, and also on how their stock performs is also what they said. There just has been growth all around for this company. In terms of technology, Palo Alto Network continues to lead the industry, so they're industry leader in cybersecurity. Industry trend from the initial NGFW to multi-platform solutions such as Prisma Cloud and Cortex. Each technological upgrade has driven up the company's stock price. Again, each tech upgrade has driven up the company's stock price. So what's really fueling their rise is technological updates or new technology. That is what spearheads um, the rise in their stock price. Okay, just like anything else. So there you go, guys. Got a little snippet of their stock. Okay, so you can really see all the way from around 2014. This is all data there to currently here in 2024. So you can actually gradually see that the stock price has just been going up from, like we did say, from around $60 in around 2014 all the way up to currently right now they are around that, they're closing at around 300, 330. um, so it's been good for them. You can really see the potential and the growth that they have. um, welcome. Make sure that you follow, make sure that you share. Okay, make sure that you stay in the live room. Okay, let's go. Let me just put my thing here. So let's talk about some of the tech and market breakthroughs. So we already talked about stock price going up times 20 over the last 10 years. In terms of the market, Palo Alto Networks has rapidly expanded its market presence through a series of successful mergers and acquisitions, whether it is in the acquisition of Demisto to enhance security operations capabilities or the acquisition of Aporito to improve cloud security levels. These strategic initiatives have brought considerable market returns to the company. So Palo Alto Networks' outstanding performance over the past decade has not only demonstrated its success in technological innovation and market expansion, but also highlighted its leadership position in the field of network security. By continuously promoting the platformization strategy and the application of AI technology, so they're also using AI, the company is expected to maintain strong growth momentum in the future. Okay. For investors, understanding and supporting Palo Alto Networks' long-term strategy can help achieve significant investment returns in the high growth market of cybersecurity. Okay, cybersecurity. Who else do you know, guys, in cybersecurity? Let us know what other companies are popular in cybersecurity. Let us know. Okay. Although there may be some fluctuations in the short term, in the long run, the company's robust strategy and strong execution will bring substantial returns to shareholders. Okay, so they're also using AI, to advance their technology. AI kind of simplifies some of these things. So let's go and let's go in and see what else we have in this report. Make sure you follow, make sure you stay. Okay, so this has got core products. Let's just look at their core products. Let's see what their core products are. They're called product leadership in 23 different cybersecurity market. So they have network security platform, cloud security platform, and security operations platform. Okay. Okay, so those are their top solutions, best in class zero trust platform across hardware, software. I'm sure if you're into tech, you understand some of these things. So the cloud security platform is actually new, and also security operations platform is also new. Mhm. Okay, but all of these platforms or these products are leaders. Okay, definitely. Our network security platform, let's understand what it does. Okay, so network security platform firewall is a firewall. The company provides a next generation firewall that combines threat intelligence and machine learning to achieve comprehensive network security protection. Okay, so that's number one in the yellow. Prisma Access, okay, Prisma Access provides SASE, Secure Access Service Edge solutions to ensure the security of remote and distributed office environments. Like Prisma Cloud, right? Provides a cloud security platform that covers the security requirements of multi-cloud environments, including protection of containers and microservices. So it's just all about security, guys. If you're into tech, you would know more about this stuff. Security operation platform, that's the one in green. Cortex XDR, combining multiple data sources to provide endpoint detection and responses capabilities, achieving efficient threat detection and response. Cortex XSOAR, an automated security operations and response platform that simplifies and accelerates the process of handling security incidents. Cortex Expanse. Okay, this is all stuff about they're just talking about their products. I'm not somebody who's into network security. That's why I'm just reading this. But I'm sure people who are into tech or networking, you know more about these products and what they do and how they work and how these platforms make or help organizations protect their data and so forth. So core product services. Okay, main customer groups. Now we're going to talk about their customers to really see who their customers are. So they have got they have a wide customer base, right? They've got corporate clients, large enterprises, multinationals, big companies covering multiple industries such as financial services, healthcare, manufacturing, and retail. So their corporate clients are spread out across so many sectors, healthcare, of course, financials, manufacturing, retail, also government. Remember, it's cybersecurity, okay? Including the federal government of the United States and government departments of other countries. Okay, so they're working with the United States and also other countries. Educational institutions, various types of universities, and research institutions, okay? Small and medium-sized enterprises. Through channel partners, provide tailored security solutions for small to medium-sized enterprises. So they basically cover everybody, okay? They cover people from all walks of life. They cover individuals, governments, educational institutions, and also corporate clients, okay? Remember, guys, this is networking. This has got to do with cybersecurity. It's important for individual, small, large businesses, whatever their size, to be protected, to protect their data, to also be protected from, cyber threats. Because, the internet can be a strange place, okay? Let's go. Um, let's move it. So those are their clients, so that you guys know that they cover a wide range of people as their clients. Okay. Platform-based sales strategy. So let's look at their sales strategy. Excuse me. There. Why am I blurry though? Oh, okay. Let's talk about their strategy. Yeah. What are their advantages? So those are their products that we did speak on the other page. Okay. So Palo Alto has been implementing their platformization strategy. So they've got these three platforms, the one in yellow, the one in blue, and the one in green. So Palo Alto has been implementing their platformization strategy aimed at integrating all services provided to customers. If customers accept their platformization, then Palo Alto may expand their overall potential market and accelerate their future annual recurring revenue growth. As shown in the earnings conference call, in the third quarter, they achieved 65 incremental platform sales among their top 5,000 clients, which is good. So Palo Alto is a leading provider in software and hardware network security solutions. So software and hardware network solutions, okay? Only Palo Alto has the ability to effectively integrate the platform. As shown in the figure below, Palo Alto offers three major platforms, like I did say, including AI-based solutions, cloud service APIs, and the security operations center platform, okay? So the one in yellow is AI powered. They also have got cloud services in there, which is the blue one, which is the cloud service. And then they also have the other one, which is security operations center platform, okay? Now let's go. Let's see who's next. Let me move my... Okay, let's go there. So let's talk about AI, artificial intelligence. So we've got a diagram there, down there. I'm sure that's how the networks and all these platforms work. Okay. So we have Global Protect, Next Generation Firewall. We talked about all these ones. And also you can see the cloud there, written functions, and also have a wildfire. There's just so much stuff they have. So threat intelligence. So utilizing AI technology to analyze massive amounts of data. Only AI can do that, right? Identify and predict potential threats and improve the accuracy and speed of threat detection. So identifying and eliminating threats, right, and detecting threats using AI. Automated response through the Cortex, the other platform, XSOAR platform, automated responses to security events is achieved, reducing manual intervention and improving response efficiency. So everything is automated. User behavior analysis. This is used to monitor and analyze user behavior through AI technology. You are the users. Identify abnormal activities and prevent internal threats. Okay. Yeah. AI-driven security operations, utilizing AI to optimize security operations processes and provide more efficient threat detection and response capabilities. Okay, they also have so they really using this AI, right? Cloud security, using the Prisma Cloud platform, Prisma Cloud platform, and AI technology to protect multi-cloud environments and ensure the security of cloud resources. So the cloud is storage, okay? Um, the cloud is not fixed in where you are. It's a cloud. It's for storage, and also there can be threats to the cloud, right? So Palo Alto Networks has successfully established insurmountable market barriers in the field of network security through its outstanding technological innovation, comprehensive product portfolio, and strong market leadership. In the era of AI, companies continue to consolidate their industry leadership positions. Companies continue to consolidate their industry leadership positions through continuous innovation. So this is some of the services and some how their solutions work, how their products work, and what areas they kind of like address. Yeah, because if you understand networking better, you will have a bigger picture more than. So let's go into tech and financial analysis. So let me just make my face bigger there. There you go. So we have our platform A, B, C. Okay. And you can really see that at each point, the moving averages have been breaking through those platforms, continuing to surge. So let's just quickly talk about this and break it down, what it means for Palo Alto. Okay. So from a weekly perspective, if you are a long-term tracking holder, you can operate as the following. So what should be your strategy here? Okay. Your strategy for long-term stock tracking it should focus on identifying identifying key support and also resistance levels. So your key support and resistance levels are those three platforms that you see there: platform A down, platform B in the middle, and platform C up top. And also you should look at your moving averages. Okay, your moving averages, the 170-day moving average, the 34-day moving average, and also the 5-day moving average. And if you look at the support platforms and the moving averages, these can better guide you to make informed buying decisions. Okay. So for your weekly strategy should be like this, guys. Give me a second. Just want to blow my nose off camera. Can I have a? Yeah. So identify platform A. Okay, so platform A, you see identifying platform A. Observe the stock price breaking through platform A. And also you should wait for the stock to consolidate above platform A and then form your platform B. The other thing that you should do here is to ensure, welcome, make sure you follow, make sure that you follow us on WhatsApp there, and also follow the YouTube account. How you guys doing? Also, guys, make sure that you follow, use the chat. So wait for the stock to consolidate above platform A, forming platform B. And also lastly, just ensure the stock price stays above the 170-day moving average. Okay, now let's analyze some buying points. Where should be like buying point number one here? How do we get to buying point number one? So if your buying point number one, you should look for a relatively safe buying point when the stock price breaks through the platform B. Okay, so around platform B, stock price breaks through platform B, you should consider that a safe buy. And then the other thing that you should do is confirm that both the stock price and the 5-day moving average are above platform B. So those two will help you or guide you as to your buying points. Okay, so those are like the two things you should consider to buy at platform B. Also, you should monitor your pullbacks as well. Thank you for the likes. Monitor pullbacks. If the stock price falls back, ensure it remains above the 170-day moving average. Okay, so if the stock price falls, ensure that it is what above the 170 moving average. Okay, that's where it should be. Wait for the decline to stop and the stock to rebound upwards. Okay. Now let's talk about platform C for a bit. When the stock price breaks through platform C, it will signal another buying opportunity. So if the stock price goes above platform C there, then it's what? It signifies buy, okay? Buy. You can even see that we actually labeled some buying points on the chart that we made here, but you can see that it's above platform C, right? So it signals another. So any point that you see there above platform C, it signals when to buy the stock. Okay. Confirm that the stock price. This is the other thing you should do. Confirm that the stock price is above both platform C and 34-day moving average. Okay. So the buying point. How do we get there? You should confirm that the stock price is above platform C and also on the 34-day moving average. Okay. Let's see other buying points from here. Uh, Subsequent buying points. So for here, as long as stock prices touches around your 34-day moving average and rebounds, it provides you a buying point. Okay. So as long as your stock price touches the 34-day moving average and it rebounds, that is also another point where you should consider to buy. So it's important for you guys to do. So the moving averages are really important. And here, the 34-day moving average is also important, and you can use it as a reference for additional buy signals during subsequent pullbacks. Okay, so when pullbacks happen, if you want to know a safe place to buy, always monitor the 34-day moving average. Okay, so and many other technical analysis you guys can use out there. So there we go. Let's go now to the next one. So we just kind of give you a breakdown of how the stock is behaving and how you can actually capitalize on buying the stock if you want it, or following it, or how it behaves. So now let's go to the other one. Okay, there you go. Sorry, guys. So this is a closer shot. We also did indicate some buying points here. And we have another platform. And we're just going to talk about this one, okay? So let's go. Welcome. See 2 people watching. Hello, guys. How you doing? Let's use the chat. That's the chat box there. Use it if you want to ask anything. If you're enjoying the show, like the show. Do not forget to follow us on WhatsApp. There is our QR code there to add us on WhatsApp, and you can also get in the description. We do have our WhatsApp there, our Facebook there, and also our YouTube there as well. So this description that you see here is just details of what a daily chart strategy focusing on the interplay between your moving averages and your stock price movements, particularly around those key events such as financial releases. So here we're going to talk about the daily chart buying point. So when the stock price breaks through a platform, it signals a buying point. We all know that. Ensure the 34-day moving average is sloping upwards, okay? So your 34-day moving average should be sloping upwards. And also for here, confirm that both the 5-day moving average and the stock price are above the platform. So you can see we've got one big platform there. And the thing that you should do is that after buying, expect the stock price to rise, okay? After you buy the stock, expect your stock price to what? To rise and go up. We also have something D there. Let's talk about what's happening at point D exactly, because some people might be like, yeah, what's going on? What does D mean? Okay, let's just talk about D. Point D, okay, so on the day of the financial report release, the report did not meet market expectations. As a result, the stock price dropped sharply, opening 30% lower. Despite the significant decline, the stock price found support and stopped falling around the 170-day moving average. So at the 170-day MA, acted as a strong support level, causing the stock price to rebound. Okay, that's really good. Uh, and also after the initial rebound, there were two subsequent tests where the stock price approaches the 170 moving day average again. And each time the 170-day moving average successfully provides support and the stock price pulled back up. These tests confirmed the support effectiveness of the 170-day moving average, indicating it as a critical level for the stock. Okay, that 170-day moving average is really critical. So what you should remember or always know about this data that we have here is that, so key points to remember, you have your platform breakthrough, which is a buying point when the stock price breaks through a platform with 34-day moving average sloping upwards and both 5-day moving average and price above the platform. Also here you can see also the 170-day moving average support with the 170-day MA acts as a significant support level, especially during sharp declines triggered like by events like financial report releases and stuff like that. I didn't even know that, sometimes financial report release can actually trigger the stock. So this is actually interesting. And also you should check out those rebound indicators. Successful rebounds from the 170-day moving average during subsequent tests reinforce the support levels in importance. Okay, it's importance. So let's go. How you guys doing? Are you enjoying the show? Stay for the rest of the live broadcast. Show us some love in the comments. Okay, so let's talk about some financial report. Okay, so in the third quarter of fiscal year 2024, Palo Alto achieved a revenue growth of 15.3%, and an adjusted net profit growth of 26.6%. However, the total revenue only increased by 3% year on year, disappointing the market. I don't think billing is a good indicator of Palo Alto's future growth because the company is implementing their platformization strategy. So, yeah, some of these things companies are usually when the revenue is like this, sometimes it's because the company is taking the revenue and they're putting it back into uh, research and development, or like what they are doing, implementing their platformization strategy, which is the research and development of growth. Okay, so let's go and see. There are two main reasons for the slowdown in bill growth. So let's see what the slowdown, what was the cause of this slowdown. Uh, so financial data, there are two main reasons for the slowdown in bill growth. And what are those reasons? Due to the high interest rate environment, businesses are shifting from multi-year payment methods to annual payments, which is slowing down the bill growth in Palo Alto. It is expected that in the near future, annual payments from corporate clients will become more frequent. When the environment improves, this pattern may change. So, like corporate clients, when they pay for these services, they pay annually, right? They pay multi-year instead of annually. So they're trying to change so that in the future, corporate clients pay annually, not like for multi-year. Okay. Due to Palo Alto's implementation of its platformization strategy, the transaction scale is more likely to be larger than that of silo products and service transactions. In this case, we believe the customer may prefer an annual billing approach. Okay. Billing, guys, you get billed like your phone bill, right? That's what billing means. Your phone bill gets billed every month. You might subscribe and say, okay, I want to be billed every month, meaning that every month you pay money to your service provider, a certain amount of money, or you be like, you pay for at the end of the year. This is what we're talking about billing. Okay. The management of Palo Alto uh, expects that as the company further promotes platformization next year, the bill growth for fiscal year 2025 will continue to be slow. In the second quarter of 24 earnings conference, Nikisha Arora, CEO of Palo Alto Networks, and Deepak Golecha, CFO, provided a detailed explanation of the background and expected impact of the company's platformization strategy. The company expects to significantly increase revenue in the medium to long term by promoting multi-platform integration and long-term contracts with customers. However, this strategy will lead to a slowdown in revenue and bill growth in the short term, especially in the next 12 to 18 months. The company expects annual revenue growth of 15 to 16%, but this growth expectation comes with certain risks and uncertainties, right? At the third quarter of 24 earnings conference, the company reiterated the strategy and slightly raised its annual revenue expectations, demonstrating the management's firm confidence in platformization strategy. Palo Alto Networks expects its annual revenue to be between 7.99 billion and 8.01 billion, a year-on-year increase of 16%. And NGS ARR is expected to be between 4.01 million and 4.05 billion and 4.1 billion, year-on-year increase of 37 to 39%. However, the implementation of platformization strategy still takes time, and its short-term impact on revenue growth cannot be ignored. Welcome to the live broadcast. How are you guys doing? Make sure that you follow us on WhatsApp by scanning the QR code, and make sure that you guys stay and finish this presentation with us. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Actually, this page has been like 3 times. Page 6, 17, 18, and 19 are the same. Yeah. It's crazy, right? Okay, let's get to that one. Let's talk about the slide. Okay, let me make sure that thing is okay. Let me move it down here. Okay. Yeah. Platform-based strategy pursues long-term returns. So the strategic adjustment of Palo Alto Networks reflects the company's profound insight into future market trends. In the era of AI, network threats are becoming increasingly complex and diverse, and enterprises need more comprehensive and integrated security solutions. Single point security products can no longer meet the needs of modern enterprises, while platform based network security solutions can provide comprehensive protection from network to terminal, from cloud to local, simplify management, improve threat detection, and response speed. Palo Alto has recognized this trend and firmly chosen the platformization route, implementing a platformization strategy that organically combines three major platforms of network security, cloud security, and secure operations. So that is just their business: network security, cloud security, and secure operations. So they have those three different platforms to provide comprehensive end-to-end protection for enterprises. In the third quarter 2024 financial report conference, the company's senior management clearly stated that although the platformization strategy may lead to a slowdown in revenue growth in the short term, it is necessary measure to achieve long-term stable growth. As Nikos Aurora said, we believe that sacrificing short-term revenue growth can lead to long-term market dominance and sustained growth. Okay, so they are sacrificing the short term for the long term. Okay, so they have a clear vision of what they want. They want to become where they want to go. So that is really good. The strategic choice is undoubtedly bold and forward-looking. Instead of getting stuck in a price war and short-term profit quagmire in fierce market competition, it is better to build more stable market barriers and higher customer stickiness through platform-based strategies. Okay, so let's see what we have for you guys. Palo Alto. Palo Alto, globally renowned cybersecurity company that has seen its stock price soar 20 times in the last 10 years through continuous breakthroughs in technology and the market. Okay. The company's platform-based sales strategy is its core advantage, which can enable customers to increase safety sales and long-term increase the company's revenue. Okay, that is Palo Alto Networks, cybersecurity. If you are looking for cybersecurity solutions and you didn't know about Palo Alto, you can go also and check them, see what they can do for you. Okay. So now let's get it, guys. Make sure you follow, make sure you scan, make sure you stay, make sure you follow us on WhatsApp or send us messages there. Also follow us on this YouTube as well. Would like to hear from you. Okay, like I did say, text us and we will be monitoring the stock. We'll also come up with some updates, maybe on Thursday or Friday. We'll tell you about how the stock has been performing, when you can buy it, whether you should buy the stock for long term or for short term. So we'll just give you a summary about the stock because we'll be monitoring it. But also, guys, feel free to monitor it by yourself. Uh, so yeah, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Make sure that you also follow the account. Go check out our other videos. I will make a Palo Alto video right now, maybe three, maybe two videos uh, of certain sections of this live stream. So happy trading, guys. Happy investing. I am your friend, Smart Investor. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.